Over the last 30 days, I've managed to make $7,955.56 by live streaming on the VIP Club channel, because this is a special account where my trades are shared in real time, so members can follow the same entries without guessing or trading alone. It's not about guaranteed results, it's about trading together, managing risk and staying consistent. If you want to understand how this works, I'll explain everything later in this video. You can see here that this is my statistic for the last 30 days. I'm also consistent in choosing pairs, namely only Euro USD and also GBP USD, choosing a market that is really good for our entry setup. You can also see here the trade number. I often choose Euro USD because this market has a good and stable market structure. Here I'll show you how I managed to generate such a consistent profit in 30 days. The secret is consistency. I use just one effective method and disciplines control over money management and psychology. If you can achieve these three things, you can do it too. Okay, let's make a trading. Like I said, I only trade in Euro USD, so I will choose Euro USD pairs. Here, as you know that this is an uptrend, right? If you already know about this method, you are lucky because this is the perfect method and very simple for your trading setup. This setup is really simple. You can just simply see the candles position. If the candles is above the red line, it means this is an uptrend. If the candles position is below the red line, it means this is a downtrend. And my method is always consistent and follow the trend. If there is an uptrend, just buy option. If there is a downtrend, just sell option. Simple as that. So here I will wait for the next candle. If the next candle make a correction like this, we can buy option. So we are follow the trend, don't against the trend, and I'm pretty sure this will be profitable. Let's see our trading. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit, absolutely profit. Let's continue. You can see this method is very powerful because my method is follow the trend. We can buy option again in this candle because I see in this market structure have a big momentum and high volatility, so I know this price will going up, continuing an uptrend, and I'm pretty sure this trade will be profitable again. Let's see our trade. Alright guys, like I said, this trade is profitable again. I will give you the analysis for you because this method is very simple. As you can see, all of these candles is above the red line. Red line is the simple moving average indicator. The period is 7. If you see the candles is above the red line, it means this is an uptrend, so the price movement will going up. If you know that the price movement will going up, just simply buy option. Very simple, right? And for the best entry, basically if you see the price movement is touching or approaching the red line, that's better for your entry levels. Why? Because if the price trying to touching the red line, that means that will be the dynamic support. So when the price movement making dynamic support, the price will bounce back, continuing an uptrend. For example, you make a buy option in dynamic support, I mean the tails of the candles. So even the candles have a red candle or bear candle, you still have opportunity to make a profitable trade. Because why? In the expiration time, if you choose flag logo, after the candle making correction like this and close price of the candles is above your entry levels, you still have a profitable trade. That's why this method is very powerful, because you entry on the tails of the candle. No matter what color of the candle, you still have opportunity to be profitable if the close price still above your entry levels like this. You see, on this candle the close price is above your entry levels. Okay, let's continue. Yep, like I said, on this trade we can be lost, but if you entry on the tails of the candles, you still have opportunity to be profitable. Let's see here. After price close to the red line, the price bounce back. If you patient and you are consistent, you can only open or entry on the tails of the candles like this. So if you buy option on the tails of the candles, even the candle is red, as long the close price of the red candles is above your entry levels, you still make a profitable trade for 92%. Because the point of this platform is to predict price is above or below your entry levels. Alright, here, like this candle is make a correction, try to touching the red line like this, we can buy option again, because on these levels will be a tails of the candle. So even this candle is red, we still make a profitable trade. Like see, 5 seconds left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profit even the candle is red. That's unbelievable. This strategy is very powerful. You can see this candle is red and we choose buy option, but we still make a profitable trade because we entry on the tails of the candles and the close price is still above our entry levels. And here we trade for 3 times and all orders is green. We made 100% accuracy. Let's see my statistic for today. We trade for 3 times. Profitable trades is 100% and our trading profit is $276. I'm consistently trading on USD pairs. Why? Because this account is social trade. All trades on this account are shared live with my VIP members. If you want to follow the same analysis or mirror the trades, you can find my Telegram link in the description box below. Let's join VIP club. We trade live together either automatically by copy trading or by using the live streaming session as a signals. I'll see you inside.